After you enable the currency module, you can add currencies to the system. You can click this gear icon, select currencies. In this screen, you can view your currency module. You can view the home currency. You can view currencies, exchange rate, last updated date from this screen. You can add new currency by clicking this Add Currency button. You can select the currencies from this drop-down menu and click Add button. This currency has been added. You can see the currency code, currency name, and exchange rate. If you want to edit this exchange rate, you can click this Edit Currencies Exchange and you can view that current exchange rate. If you want to change your exchange rate, you can click this, or you can select your rate and you can enter the amount. After that, you can save this new rate.